Happy morning to all of you. Welcome back to Shri Ganesh Online Education Series. Dear students, yesterday we have completed chapter number 13's question answers. I have given you question answers in the format of PDF. I have sent it on your Google Classroom as well as on your WhatsApp group. So I hope all of you have completed it in your workbook as well as your notebook. Okay. So see, now after some days your examination will be there. So you have to do proper study. Whatever question answers are below the lesson, okay, in your textbook, that much question answers you have to learn. Okay, which chapters are going to come? 11, 12, 13, 14 and 15. So 11, 12, 13 these chapters are completed. Today we are going to take 14 number chapter. Okay, so see, our chapter's name is The Fort is Captured but the Lion is Dead. What is this? Lion. Okay, not lion. Some of you are saying lion. What is this word? Lion. Okay. The fort is captured but the lion is dead. Okay. So for this purpose, open your textbook. Page number 53. All have opened it? Very good. So see, today we are going to learn these 2 points. Jizamata fish and second one Tanaji Malusari. Okay. These 2 are very simple and small points. Okay. You will like it. Okay. So see, which fort is captured, that we have to learn in this. Okay. And which lion is dead, that also we have to say. Who was the lion? Okay. Lion is not an animal. Its proverb is used here. Okay. So who is dead and which fort is captured, that we have to learn. Do you want to learn it? Very good. So open your textbook. See, Jizamata's wish. Put your index finger. See, the 23 forts which Shivaji handed over the Jai Singh were still in the hands of Mughals. See, Shivaji Maharaj, in last chapter we have learned that Shivaji Maharaj made treaty with Mughal, and in that treaty he handed over 23 forts to Mughals. So those 23 forts which Shivaji handed over to Jai Singh were still in the hands of Mughal. Those still in the hands of Mughal means whole control on those forts was of Mughal people. Kondhana was one of these 23 forts, and Kondhana fort, okay, Kondhana fort was one of the forts from this 23 fort. One day, Jizamata said to Shivaji, see, one day Jizamata said to Shivaji, what she said? Shubha, it is not safe to leave the strong Kondhana fort in the enemy's hand. What Jizamata told to Shivaji? Shubha, it is not safe to leave strong Kondhana fort in the enemy's hand. Means it is not safe for our Swaraj that Kondhana fort is in our enemy's control. Okay. See, you must recapture it. And what you should do? You must recapture it. Not should. You must have to do it. Like this, Jizamata told to Shivaji Maharaj. Shivaji was thinking on the same lines. And so Shivaji Maharaj, he was also thinking on same lines. He was very unhappy that Kondhana was in Mughals' hand. He was also very unhappy that Kondhana fort is in Mughals' hand or in enemy's hand. Both Shivaji and Jizabai Sahib were very unhappy about it. And so Jizamata and Shubha both were unhappy for this thing, that Kondhana fort is in enemy's hand. So see, it was like a thorn in their side. It was like a thorn in their side. Shivaji started. Do you know thorn means? Who knows? Mostly if it grows on tree. Thorn. Okay? Means kata. Okay, so it was like a thorn in their side. Shivaji started making his plans for the recapture of Kondhana, and so our Shivaji Maharaj, he started planning to recapture Kondana Fort. See, for all the work, planning is very important. If you fail to plan, plan will fail to you. Like this it is there. Okay, every time we teachers used to tell you that if you fail to plan, plan will fail to you. So you must plan properly, and now you can learn that time also Shivaji Maharaj, he was also doing planning, so he was successful. If you want to be successful like Maharaj, you also have to make plannings. Okay, so now what plan you have to make? Your examination is there. So how many lessons you have completed, how many lessons are remain of study, so in which way you will study, so you will get good marks. That planning you have to do. Okay, so now see, Shivaji Maharaj, he was also planning for what? To recapture Kondana Fort. He started his planning. Who could be interested with this task? Interested, not interested. I am not saying interested. Interested is different. And interested with this task. It was very difficult to capture Kondana. See, Shivaji Maharaj was thinking, what? Interested means what? See here, word meaning they have given. Interested. Interested means assign the responsibility for doing something to someone. Assign the responsibility for doing something to someone. Okay, means some important work we are assigning to some person. So whom to assign this very important work? Which work? Kondana Fort recapture. Okay, so he was thinking that who could be interested with this task? It was very difficult to capture Kondana. Okay, it was very difficult to capture Kondana Fort. So like this he was planning. Okay, so second point is given, whom he will give now that responsibility. See, what point is given? Tanaji Malusare. Tanaji Malusare. See, Tanaji was Shivaji's comrade. Tanaji was Shivaji's comrade. Many times comrades meaning I have told you. Right from the beginning. Comrade means his Maulas. Okay. Tanaji was Shivaji's comrade right from the beginning. He came from the village Umrathe near Mahad in the Konkan. See, this Tanaji was from Konkan. His village name is Umrathe and it is near Mahad. Okay. So Tanaji Malusare belongs to Konkan, Umrathe village near Mahad. He was ever ready to put his heart and soul into any work assigned to him by Shivaji. See, every time he was ready, whatever work Shivaji Maharaj will assign to him, he was doing that work wholeheartedly. He was ever ready to do that work by his heart and his soul. Means from the bottom of heart he was ready to do that work. He was not giving any excuses. So like this comrade was there. Okay. Tanaji was strong. See, Tanaji was strong, well built and as clever as he was brave. Means he was strong. Okay. Then he was well built. Means his body structure was well built. And he was as clever as brave. Means he was brave also in his work. Okay. And he was clever also. Both the things were in the Tanaji. He was passionately devoted to Shivaji. He was passionately devoted to Shivaji. Now what is meant by passionately? See, passionately means in a way that shows strong feelings or belief. In a way that shows strong feelings. Okay? Means his feelings were too much strong. He was boundful with Shivaji Maharaj. Okay? So like this Tanaji Malusare was there. So now we have to see whether Shivaji Maharaj will give this responsibility to Tanaji Malusare or to someone else. Who was the lion? Okay, that we have to see in tomorrow's lecture. But today what we came to know, which fort is there now, which fort they are discussing? They are discussing about Kondana fort, which was given to Mughals in the treaty. Okay, 23 forts were given, and from those 23 forts, Kondana was one of it. Okay, and Kondana was very strong fort. So Jijamata told Shivaji Maharaj that it is not good thing for us Swaraj that Kondana is in enemy's hand. So for that, Shivaji Maharaj started planning to recapture that fort, and they were thinking whom to give this responsibility. Okay, so they found one person. Who was that? Tanaji Malusare. Okay, he was clever, brave, well built. Okay, means all the good things were in Tanaji Malusare. Okay, so what we have to see, that is this fort captured by Tanaji Malusare or not? What he did for that? All the things we have to learn. Which techniques he used? All of these things we have to see. These things we will see in the tomorrow's video. Thank you very much. Okay, and today's your homework will be, you have to read out these 2 points loudly. Okay, and then these 2 word meanings are there: interested and passionately. Learn the spelling. This one is interested, not interested. Okay, so properly read it and learn it by heart. Thank you very much.